Hello, welcome to my author study PowerPoint presentation on Anna Dewdney. My name is Karma Gilbert, and here's a picture of myself. Anna Dewdney was born on December 25th, 1965 in New York, New York. Her father is a psychiatrist and her mother was a writer. She had two daughters named Cordelia and Beryl. She received a bachelor's degree in art from Wesleyan University. In her lifetime, she worked as a waitress, mail carrier, daycare provider, and she taught middle school art and history, along with being a writer. A fun fact about her is that she was the author of the best-selling Llama Llama Red Pajama series of picture books, along with many others. Anna Dewdney wrote many books throughout her lifetime. One in particular is Llama Llama Red Pajama, and a summary of it is Llama Llama turns bedtime into a bunch of llama drama. After Mama Llama tucks Baby Llama into bed and leaves, Baby Llama starts worrying. Mama ended up coming back just in time to set things right. Children can relate to Baby Mama's need for comfort from reading this book. Another story is Llama Llama Mad at Mama. It's about Llama Llama going shopping with Mama. Llama Llama becomes impatient and gets mad when shopping isn't any fun, and he decides to throw all of their stuff out of the cart and throw a fit. But in the end, he eventually learned to be patient and work with his mom to get their shopping done. Llama Llama Misses Mama is about Llama Llama's first day of preschool. Mama goes with Llama Llama to meet his teachers and classmates and looks at books and games with him. But when Mama Llama goes to leave school, Llama Llama isn't excited about it. Eventually, Llama's classmates end up convincing and showing Llama Llama just how fun school can be, so he ends up liking it. And Llama Llama Time to Share is about Llama Llama and another llama having a play date, and Llama Llama doesn't know how to share. The two llamas end up fighting over Llama Llama's Fuzzy Llama, and they accidentally rip Fuzzy's arm off, and Llama Llama's mama comes to the rescue and sews Fuzzy's arms back on, and then the llamas eventually learn to share and they become friends. Anna Dewdney received many awards. All of her Llama Llama books have been New York Times bestsellers. Her Llama Llama series was actually chosen by the Dolly Parton Foundation for the Imagination Library, and that's a foundation that donates books to kids for free. Her Llama Llama Red Pajama book was chosen as Jumpstart's Read for Record book in 2011. It was also the Scholastic Parent and Child 100 Greatest Books for Kids Award winner, Bank Street Best Children's Book recipient, and Missouri Building Block Award winner, National Public Radio pick, and Carolina Children's Book Award Master List winner. Llama Llama Mad at Mama was Missouri's Building Block Award winner, the winner of Alabama's Emphasis on Reading program, and Book Sense Book of the Year Children's Illustrated Honor Book in 2008, And Llama Llama Time to Share was Children's Choice Book Award Illustrator of the Year nominee and Thriving Family Magazine's Best Family Friendly Picture Book finalist. This is a list of over 30 books written by Anna Dewdney. Children can relate many of Anna's books to their own life experiences. She was a very successful writer, and her books are still teaching life lessons to many children. Thank you for listening.